let's talk kitchens. Kitchens, kitchens, kitchens. It is the hub of the home. It's where the family gathers, where meals are made, where memories are made, and you're looking around and you're either loving your kitchen or you're like most homeowners, you're not loving your kitchen and you're wondering kind of where to start. You know, you've got a couple options. Number one, you can take a grenade and you can throw it in there and you can start all over again. Or number two, you can look at painting or repainting or restaining your cabinets. Give them a little fresh look. But that sometimes doesn't last very long. But there's a third option. It's called kitchen cabinet refacing. And if you've never considered kitchen cabinet refacing, we're going to unpack that in this video. And why this homeowner here in Flower Mound, Texas, in their 1985 home chose kitchen cabinet refacing as the best option for them. So let's go on in and take a look. And remember, if you're a homeowner who has no clue where to start and you're a little overwhelmed, I want you to take a deep exhale because everything's going to be all right with Expo Home. Let's go take a look. Okay, so I'm inside the home and I just spent some time with the homeowner really talking to her about why they chose kitchen cabinet refacing. And these are the points that she gave us. Number one, she let us know that this is her forever home. They've been here for a while and they really want to stay in this home. So they want something that's going to last. Number two, it was within her budget. She definitely loved the kitchen cabinet refacing option because she said, hey, you know, I'm not ready for a grenade to go into my kitchen and blow the whole thing up. Number three, they tried actually painting their cabinets in another area of their home and it just did not last. So she knew that wasn't going to be an option. So she let us know, hey, look, I love the layout. It's in my budget. I love that's going to last for a really long time. And I love that you're going to come in here and give me a complete kitchen reface and a facelift within 2 to 3 days. The homeowner really loved the layout of the kitchen, so that wasn't a concern. That's why she didn't want to just remove everything and move everything around because it would get really expensive very fast. She had cabinets actually in really good condition and she loved the layout of the kitchen. There was only one modification she really wanted to make, and that was on this side of the kitchen. Her refrigerator was in an interesting space. It was over here. And so before Expo Home came in and actually gonna fill in the gaps of those cabinets, she had the refrigerator moved by a plumber and had the line moved over so that Expo Home can come in and kind of fill in the cabinets around that space. It's really the only modification she wanted to make, but otherwise she loves her kitchen, she loves where it is, and she's ready to replace in the same space. All right, so we are with Michael. He is going to be our install manager over this install at this home. And we were just talking and we were going over why the customer chose kitchen cabinet refacing, and she actually really loved the process. So Michael's gonna be the best guy to tell you about the process, especially here at Expo Home, because we're gonna take care of your home. We're gonna treat it with respect. So tell us where you start and then how we're going to start on this day one, getting everything ready.
So the guys are going to come in, lay down some tarps to kind of protect the floor. From there, they're going to go the contract and go over everything with the homeowner, make sure that what we ordered is correct.
Yeah, I mean, that's a great place to start.
And then from there, once we confirm everything's correct, we're going to go in and start doing the prep work. So taking off doors, sanding stuff down, making sure everything's protected, of course, before we start that process.
Yeah. So I think one of the concerns that the homeowner had was that, you know, going with kitchen cabinet refacing, is it going to look like something was just added to my cabinet, or does it really have a custom look, you know, with all those clean edges that you can't even tell the difference? Like, what, in your expertise, what is the homeowner going to expect from the end result of this process?
So it's going to be a total transformation. So definitely night and day from what they currently have. Whatever color they chose, it's going to be completely different, customized to what they specifically chose.
Yeah, absolutely. So no seams, you can't see anything. It looks super custom. I think she's going to be really happy.
I think so too.
Yeah, are you ready to do this? All right, let's get going. Okay, I'm back here at day two. This is Richard.
Hi.
Hey, yeah. So you're overseeing the second phase of the project.
Yes, ma'am.
So I've heard that a lot of people say, go ahead and paint your cabinets, and you're saying absolutely not.
Yeah.
You want to make sure you laminate your cabinets to match.
Yes.
Why do you want to take this process of laminating your cabinets?
The reason why I say the process of lamination is it lasts longer, it looks cleaner, It's easier to clean. You have better benefits in it. You don't have to, it wouldn't scratch like paint would.
Okay.
So it will last a little bit longer. And like I said, anything that you can clean with vinegar or water is a lot safer for the people inside the house, even for yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it seems to me that it's actually going to be a better match because don't you have laminate doors?
True, you do have laminate doors as well.
Yeah. So it's
less chemicals to it, and instead of paint, like I'd stick with laminate.
yeah, because you've been doing this a long time.
Yes, ma'am. I have.
All right, so laminate is a choice. You heard it direct from the expert here at Expo Home. He's getting everything prepped. Richard, I'm going to be back tomorrow. I cannot wait to see the finished project.
Day 3.
Awesome.
Day 3's coming up.
We'll see you day 3. All right, bye. Wow, it is a gorgeous day here in Flower Mound, Texas, and we are still working on that kitchen cabinet refacing. It is day 3, and I cannot wait to see the transformation. So come on, let's go take a look. Hey, Michael.
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good. We're going to go check in with Richard and see how day 3's going.
All right.
How's it going on day 3?
Day 3, we are installing tracks, cabinet drawers, handles, full handles, and touch-ups, corner trims, inside trims, outside trims, and crown molding as well.
I love the crown molding. What a wonderful finished touch. All right, so you think you're going to wrap up here on day 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. I'll be back in a little while to see the finished product.
Thank you.
All right, it is the end of day 3. The crew, they're done. They've packed up, they have cleaned up, they have left it better than they found it, and they have done an amazing job. I am seriously looking around this kitchen right now, the transformation, and I wish I could show it to you, but I can't show it to you just yet because the customer is actually working on doing countertops. They just showed me they've got the countertops coming in the next day. They picked these out ahead of time, match them to the pattern. They got some flooring coming in backsplash. So they've invited me back to look at the grand reveal. But we're already really enjoying the features of this home. This kitchen cabinet refacing project has turned out great. And I think this is one of their favorite features. Ready? Here we go. Serenity Now. Nice, soft close cabinets. They're really going to enjoy that. All right, so I'll be back for the big reveal. Stay tuned.
I think my favorite thing is the glass cabinets. I love the beauty that it adds to the kitchen. I love the updated colors and the brightness, and it just totally opened up my kitchen and gave me so much more space. And I love all the features that were added into my kitchen, into the cabinets and the drawers. My dream kitchen is now a reality. Thank you, Expo Home Improvement.
Okay, that right there is the best part about home improvement. When we're done with the job, we're wrapping up, we're cleaning up, everything's looking really good and tidy. The homeowner walks in and for the first time gets to see their finished product and just the awe on their face. And one of them like threw their arms around me and one of our installers. We were just laughing and saying, thank you for loving us. Thank you for respecting us in our home. Thank you for bringing our vision to life. Because it's their vision, it's the homeowner's vision, it's their space, it's their investment. We are here as stewards to make sure that they get exactly what they wanted. So what a rewarding experience. At Expo Home, our mission reads, loving people, lasting impact. I think we're good on the love. They just definitely showed us lots of love and we showed them lots of love. But that lasting impact is really important. It's not just a lasting impact for the memories and the moments they're going to have in that kitchen. It's our job to make sure that we have a lasting impact on the quality of that install. And that's what we provided them here today, because we do not take that lightly. We want to make sure that they are going to have a lasting impact for so many years to come, because that kitchen, and we all know, we all gather in the kitchen. And so it's really important we get it done, and we get it done right the first time. That's our goal. If you liked this video, give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. We would love for you to follow us. We're going to be out here in the field keeping it real in home improvement and providing information to help you make a good informed decision on your next home improvement project. And hey, if Expo Home is right for you, we would be humbled and honored to serve you and your family and your home. All right, stay tuned. We got more up to come. Talk to you later.